So we have our Chinese New Year camp. Yeah, pinakita ko sa ng technique, sabi ko para sa probinsya.
I'm not using my shoulder, I'm lifting it up.
I'm so proud of my boys again. Every time we go out, this boys is really being trained.
The outdoor boys.
Preparation for hot time. Dalawang tuta natin na naghihintay. Cheers! Ooh, nice!
I did 4C and that's it.
That's 3 out of 3.
That is perfect. No.
That's why you shouldn't have your basically raw like that. That's how raw.
Something like this.
Walang ganun.
Nakiling pa ng ganun. Ay, tonto kayo, mami.
Okay. Lahat na yan.
More moist than I
Anticipated.
Hindi siya dry.
Ayun o! Caverte family!
Ito ba ka? Sorry, Carlisle. Ha?
Oh, nagsorry na. Nagsorry na.
But you will win.
Oh! Malupit si Tito. Magaling si Dodi.
Bababa na lang kami.
Oo, napabilib. Pare, nagkarespeto sa iyong anak ko, pre. First game.
Give it to his teammate to win.
Photo shuffle.
I can't do that.
2-person shuffle, oh.
Half and half.
Well, picture nga ako.
Wonder why people are
1,
playing this
2,
instead of
3.
Monopoly Deal? Coming!
I still have a lot here.
Picture nga ako. Go, go, go.
Then who?
Sorry, who's first dyan?
Who's first?
Oy! Okay, for the win! Yung dalawang magkakampi, magkalaban na ba ngayon?
They were once teammates and now enemies.
Oh no! Iba shuffle mo, mami! Natandaan ni Odi!
Wala na!
Iba shuffle. Yan! Who is the monkey? Show the card, Dalay. And the monkey is you. Next game nito, tumbang preso.
Home run.
Papatendi. Second base ka lang.
You're so near. Joel Embiid. All of that prep just for what? Carla, dito, ligaw ka na naman.
Going there, Carlisle, ha?
Run! Okay, good. Okay. That's anticlimactic.
Let's play again.
Anticlimactic.
Seven.
Ang welcoming committee. Okay. Ito na yata si Mike. May dabating na Uber eh. Kung may kaibigan mo, para na papunta kayo sa airport. Okay, di na si Firing Michael. Kompleto na. Okay, tulungan mo natin sila ha. Si ating official drone pilot. So yung mga footage dito mamaya, drone pilot natin yan si Odi.
There should be like a
Mustache? Is that actually
string and then you can tie it.
The side. You see here? You see like the circle thingies?
So,
Mali.
lion head naman.
Hold it inwards.
Seeable. Oh my god.
And then make sure.
Oh my god. Wait, no, take it. Take it out. Take out the paper. Are we done?
What's the eye like that? Looks salty. You broke this hole. Look at this.
Oy.
Shiloh should hold the back.
Just hold the cape. Just hold the cape.
Yeah, okay, and chang 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 chang. Okay, I think we have a winner. Is it okay? Is it approved not yet?
I'm going back.
Tung 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 tung. Huh?
It's the most beautiful.
Is they dancing it? Tang the chung 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 chung. Okay, we have the winner, Shiloh and Castiel. Congratulations, nice one. Give it a cash.
Send a video.
Okay, go.
Oh, marunong, may moves.
Nilagyan niya. Mali ka naman.
Ikaw marunong. Si Shiloh din. Op. Shiloh, bahati mo si Castiel. Yung ginaganon yung pinapasan. Sino? Nami, bahati mo si Carla. Tun.
Throw carrots.
Give the vegetables.
We lost it here.
Okay, minus 5 points for Nami and Carla. Natanggalan ng tenga. Shiloh and Kuya daw, and Nami and Carlisle. Oop, almost. Then si Mami, gusto yata magpa-perform ng lion dance. Gusto niya yata magpa-perform ito.
I don't know what to do now.
Ang galing.
The campfire 10-hour video.
Okay, so time check. Around 7:15, yung mga matatanda nagluluto. Tingnan mo kung gaano kalaki yung lag nilagay ko dyan.
It's so warm.
Hand for...
Dad, feel this.
Yung mga teenagers. Hey, barbecue, oh, yun, oh. Puta. Sabay, pagka ganyan. Sumabli ako dun, ah. Ganyan, oh. Ayun. Ayos!
Wait.
Sarap ha?
Palanggaan lang. Ay, sarap. Mamaya na, mami. Sarap-sarap na. May ganda yung palanggaan. Alas 12:15 na. Tulugan na. So, it's time for us to say good night na. So, dito na matatapos yung video na to. Bukas na lang ulit. Mike, ano bang niluluto mo?
Ito, bagong special namin.
Bagong special daw.
Nakagana to.
Mukhang matindi. Medyo komplikado ang ano nito.
Medyo komplikado.
Komplikado. Parang mga inspired by French cuisine to. Okay, tanong natin yung kabilang contestant. Second contestant, Cristel May Tarsena.
Boss ko, bumibili siya ng curry. Doon siya namimili. Di mo siya sinasawa.
Ikaw, anong niluluto mo?
Hotdog.
Hotdog. Si Mike doon may special na niluto doon danggit. Ito yung buong crew natin. Huling hirit sa tag-init.
Yan, noodles. Yan lang.
Sarap eh, no?
Ito na yan. Noodles na.
Gusto niyong ihatpat?
Ito yan.
Champion ng Monopoly deal. O, to, ano lang. Sumabit pa. Sumabit pa. Kaya ka eh. Blue. Ano ang tawag doon? Champion. Saka yung contender ba yun? Oh, contender. Carlisle Cheng. Okay.
Ay, Monopoly ako uno.
Uy!
Nakapananagat. Isang kulay lang.
Titingnan natin kung madi-defend niya ba yung ano niya.
Pwede na mag-ano, no? Mag-change color, no?
Yeah, if you have the card. Wait, how?
Ito, pampagulo ng
Oo, pampagulo kayong dalawang yan. Wala yan. Pang para ano lang.
Hindi ka mo ikutin yan.
Oh, wala ba? Hindi ba tumitira si Tito Mike may eh?
Change color.
Oh, change color daw.
Blue.
Oh! Shake hands. Shake it off. The new defending champion of Road Twist, Carlisle. Okay, shake hands. I will take photo. Shake hands.
Magandang barahan nito.
Ano ba yan? Mga tao? Mga mahihirap na tao? Okay.
May sunog ba yan?
Walang sunog. Di sunog na sila. Okay.
7.
Pakitan ba yan?
Talaga naman.
Makakachow na ako sa next na tabo.
Saan na yung 7 dito?
Putol na.
Nasaan na yung 7 dito?
Wala na. Putol na rin yan. Kung abutin ka ba?
Wala na.
Okay.
Nako.
Ang gagawin natin una.
Wala na, 2 alas sa akin eh.
Kung may sasabaw ba nito?
Wala.
Basura. Okay. Tika lang ha.
Kasi basag to.
Sapaw. Tapon. Walang sasapawan. 11.
Sabi na eh.
Maganda yung maraha. Maganda yung maraha. Bakit ang diskarte ko kanina na overconfident ako? Ganito kafag. So successful ang camping. Ang 2 araw. Sakto lang. Sakto yung mga pagkain. May mga inuwi na konti. Okay yung pwesto. So success naman lahat. Nakapag-activity yung mga bata. All in all, it's a win. So next camping na lang ulit. Then dito na to. Happy Chinese New Year 2026.